Was sports tech at the front of this year's London Marathon? Hello, I'm Dominic Walker. Welcome to JMW's Inside Man YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and keep the conversation going in the comments section as well. So we're used to the Flora London Marathon, the Virgin London Marathon, but this year the London Marathon partnered with a tech company. Lucy Marlow is a senior associate solicitor within JMW's intellectual property department. So, Lucy, what did this partnership mean for the London Marathon?
Yeah, so the London Marathon have partnered with Tata Consulting Services, TCS. So now the London Marathon is called the TCS London Marathon, and that partnership is going to run for 6 years. And it just shows, given that Tata is a technology company, it just shows like the increasing role of technology in sport.
And how does the TCS partnership enhance the experience for participants?
Yeah, so the TCS have brought out some tracking technology, and what that tracking technology and their app means is that participators and supporters can be more connected. So if you're out there as a spectator wanting to watch like one of the runners, you can actually see their live location using this particular technology. And also when a finisher crosses the line, the spectators can send messages to a board that appears at the finish line with a live message like, "Go on, Lucy, you've done it." Also, it's also made the marathon far more inclusive because, as we all know, it's very difficult to get a place in the marathon and you have to go through the ballot system. But now you can also run the marathon virtually, and this tracking technology also means that you can watch your runner and see their live location as they complete the course remotely too. So it's really opened up many more opportunities for participants and spectators to thoroughly engage with the events.
I tend to watch the London Marathon from my sofa, from the comfort of my own home, but I did read somewhere that the technology gives runners a truly immersive experience. What does that actually mean? So
the London Marathon have also partnered with another tech company called iFIT, and what they brought about is patented technology that enables treadmills to simulate the true marathon experience. So not only can the settings of the treadmill automatically be set up so it mirrors the topology of the London Marathon course itself, but also live footage and can be displayed on the screen, so you feel like you're actually part of the real race. So it's a really true immersive marathon experience.
And the tech that runners are wearing is getting even more complicated as well. So what are runners actually wearing?
There's a whole range of wearable technologies available to runners, such as sports watches, such as the Garmin, like what I'm wearing, that can measure speed, heart rate, a whole bunch of different variables. Some runners choose also to wear special pods that can measure their cadence, how much they're moving up and down, vertical oscillation, ground contact time, balance. There's also some fancy smart technology involved in socks, which can measure how you're using your foot as you're striking the ground. So whether you're striking with your heel or your toe. So you can monitor and assess your foot landing technique, as well as obviously speed and cadence. So there's a whole range of wearable technology also available to participants.
And I've mentioned before, Lucy, that you are a runner yourself. You enjoy doing that.
Yeah.
How can you, as both a runner and an IP lawyer, help companies who want to operate in this space?
Well, often it's just initially a case of understanding what IP protection you can be afforded to whatever technology it is that you're bringing to the market. And there can be a range of IP rights that might be relevant. So, for example, software could be protected through copyright. Also, your particular product may attract brand protection, so the name Garmin, or in the case of my particular watch, that's a forerunner. So you can gain brand protection through a trademark for that particular branding. For more sophisticated technology, perhaps a patent. You've also got design rights that can protect the appearance of a particular product. And then once you've got the rights in place, if someone ever tries to rip off your product or your brand, we can rely upon those rights to request that the infringer immediately stops.
Lucy, thank you very much for your insight. And if you'd like to speak to Lucy, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. Please also subscribe to the JMW Inside Man YouTube channel for the latest legal news, know-how and tips. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.